All right, 35 says find the measures of angle 1 and 3 in the kite. The diagram is not to scale. So the first thing I notice is we have a kite. I know that this guy cuts my kite in half, and I know my top two angles are congruent. So I know angle 1 equals 17 degrees. I also know that all these angles in the middle have to be 90 degrees. So it's a little covered, but over here I have my angle. The top one is 17. The corner is a right angle, so we can find angle 3. So I'm going to say angle 3 plus 90 plus 17 equals 180, the total angle measures of a triangle. So we have angle 3 plus 107 equals 180. Did I say 190 earlier? They should all equal 180. From there, we're going to subtract 107 from both sides. When we do that, we get angle 3 equals 180 minus 107, which is 73. We already found angle 1, which is 117. So those are my two answers. 36 says find the values of the variables and the lengths of the sides of this kite. Now they already tell me which ones are congruent. These two and the two down here. Notice the top two have different variables. We have y and x, and the bottom two have the same. So we're going to set the bottom two equal. 2x plus 2 equals x plus 11 and solve for x. So we'll subtract x from both sides and get x plus 2 equals 11. We'll subtract 2 from both sides and get x equals 9. Then we're going to plug x in up here. We'll have 9 plus 2, which is what, 9, 10, 11. And we can set the top two equal. So we have y minus 3 equals 11. We'll add 3 to both sides, and we get y equals 14. So my answers are going to be 14 and 9. The last one says LM is the mid-segment of parallelogram, well, quadrilateral ABCD. AB is 72. DC is 104, and they want us to find LM. So this is like our X. Remember, your mid-segment or your median equals B1 plus B2 all divided by 2. The top is your B1, the bottom is your B2, and X is what we're looking for. So we're going to have X equals 72 plus 104 all divided by 2. If I add 72 and 104, I get 176 on top divided by 2, which would give me 88. So X would be 88. So you add those two together, just divide by 2, and you get your final answer.